Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Maths with Mr. Chow. In this lesson, we'll learn the basics of index laws. We'll begin by understanding what an index means, then we'll learn how to multiply and divide indices. Let's begin. Before we learn the index laws, let's first understand what an index means. An index tells us how many times a variable is multiplied by itself. For example, x cubed means x multiplied by x multiplied by x. In other words, x to the power of 3 is equal to x times x times x. Our first index law is multiplying indices. When multiplying the same variable, we add the indices. For example, x squared multiplied by x cubed is equal to x to the power of 5. Since 2 plus 3 equals 5, the answer is x to the power of 5. Our second index law is dividing indices. When dividing the same variable, we subtract the indices. For example, x to the power of 5 divided by x squared is equal to x to the power of 3. Since 5 minus 2 equals 3, the answer is x to the power of 3. Now it's your turn. Which answer is correct? What is a to the power of 4 multiplied by a squared? Is the answer A, B, C, or D? Pause the video and have a try. Let's check the answer. When multiplying the same variable, we add the indices. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So a to the power of 4 multiplied by a squared is equal to a to the power of 6. If you got A, great job. Let's summarize what we've learned today. An index tells us how many times a variable is multiplied by itself. When multiplying the same variable, we add the indices. When dividing the same variable, we subtract the indices. Thanks for watching and see you next time.